Hello everyone, I'm Gunesh studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm discussing about what is cloud computing and how it is sustainably used. So moving on to the introduction, cloud computing has emerged as a game changer in the technology landscape, offering scalable on-demand resources that can significantly reduce the environmental impact of traditional data centers. So this uh, uh, this video is mainly about how cloud computing can drive sustainable practices and also help mitigate the growing challenges of climatic changes. So here it refers what is cloud computing. So speaking about what is cloud computing, so here it refers to the delivery of computing services over the internet where resources such as servers, storage, database, software, and applications are provided as a service to users on demand. This will also allow us to access and use computing resources without the need for physical hardware, reducing cost and increasing flexibility. So what is the environmental impact of the traditional data centers that are present? So first thing is the energy consumption. So the traditional data centers are notorious for their high energy demands, with estimates suggesting they account for up to 2% of the global electricity usage. Second thing is the carbon emissions. So here the power hungry nature of the data centers results in significant carbon emissions, which is contributing to the global greenhouse gas problem. Third impact is the e-waste. So the rapid obsolescence of hardware in data centers will lead to a growing mountain of e-waste, which is very much difficult to recycle and dispose of sustainably. So, what are the benefits of cloud computing for sustainability? First thing is reduced energy consumption. So, here cloud computing can reduce energy consumption by optimizing resources usage and increasing its efficiency. Second thing is energy efficiency, is nothing but again the energy consumption that will be reduced. So, it provides leverage economies of scale and advanced cooling technologies to significantly reduce energy consumption compared to on-premise data centers. Second thing is the other way, increased resource utilization. So first thing, cloud computing will enable better resource utilization as resources that are allocated and deallocated based on the demand. So next one is reduced carbon footprint. Cloud computing will allow for the centralization of resources, enabling the use of renewable energy sources to power data centers and also to reduce overall emissions. Next thing is a circular economy. So it will provide often, or cloud basically provides a implement recycling and reuse programs for hardware, promoting more sustainable lifestyle for technology assets. Moving on to what are the cloud-based solutions for reducing carbon footprint. So before moving into that, what are the other benefits of sustainable cloud computing? Is first thing is cost saving. So it can help organization reduce cost by minimizing energy consumption. Second thing is enhanced brand reputation. Third thing is compliance and regulation. And the last one is improved efficiency. So here moving on to this thing. So how we can reduce the carbon footprint. So first thing is remote work. So cloud-based collaboration tools will enable remote work, reducing the need for computing and associated carbon emissions. Next is the virtualization. So it will allow for the virtualization of resources, leading to higher utilization rates and decreased energy usage. Next thing is big data analytics. So cloud-based big data analytics will help the organizations to identify energy saving opportunities and also to optimize their operations for sustainability. Last but not the least, solution is IoT and smart cities. So cloud-powered IoT solution, that is Internet of Things solution, can enable the development of smart cities, improving resource efficiency and also reducing the environmental impact. Not only these, there are other thing, that is the green data centers. So that will use renewable energy resources to maintain the data. Next one is a carbon offset platform. Other solution is smart grid management, and next thing is electric vehicle charging management system. So these are the ways that we can reduce the carbon footprint. Next one is renewable energy powering cloud infrastructure, how it will actually be worked. So first one is the solar power. So here providers are increasingly investing in solar energy to power the data centers, reducing the reliance on fossil fuels. So next one is the wind energy. So wind farms that will be situated near data centers will provide a reliable source of renewable electricity and power cloud infrastructure. Next one is the hydroelectric power. Leveraging the abundant and clean energy from the hydroelectric sources is a key strategy for sustainable cloud computing. Along with this, there are other renewable energy powering cloud infrastructure like the green data centers, geothermal energy, hydroelectric power plant, solar power plant, and carbon offset programs, research and development, renewable energy certificates. All these will also come under this renewable energy powering cloud. Moving on to what are the sustainable data centers, how it is designed and operated. So first thing, energy efficient design is given, where cloud data centers are designed with energy efficiency in mind, incorporating features like advanced cooling system and waste heat recovery. Along with this, renewable energy. So here basically like solar, wind or geothermal energy will be used as a source. Third thing, green building materials. So like recycled materials or recycled and locally sourced materials will be basically used. And next thing is water conservation. So rainwater harvesting and gray water reuse, water efficient cooling systems will also be implemented when the same. Next thing is optimized operations. So to cloud providers continuously monitorize and optimize the operations of the data centers to minimize energy consumption and environmental impact. Third thing is circular resource use. Circular resource use, nothing but as the cloud data centers are increasingly adopting circular economic principle, reusing and recycling hardware components to reduce things. So what are the different operations that is performed? Our first thing is the energy management and cooling optimization. Moving next to how the power will be effectively used, water management, waste reduction and recycling. What are the sustainable IT practices that can be performed for this data center to be sustainable? Moving on to what is circular economy and cloud computing. So first thing is the product life extension. So here cloud will provide a next providers extend the lifespan of hardware through refurbishment and reuse, reducing the need for new resource intensive equipment. Resource recovery, cloud data centers increasingly recover and recycle materials from retired hardware, channeling them back into the production cycle. Next one is the waste reduction. By centralizing resources and optimizing utilization, cloud computing minimizes the generation of e-waste and the other forms of waste too. Moving on to what is the future of sustainable cloud computing? First thing is advancement in renewable resources. So here the technologies will be improved, the storage will further reduce, and also the carbon footprint of cloud infrastructure will also get reduced. Next thing is increased circularity. So here cloud providers will deepen their commitment to circular economic principles, so maximizing the reuse and recycling of hardware. Next thing is innovative cooling solution. Breakthrough in eco-friendly cooling systems such as liquid immersion and ambient air cooling systems will enhance the sustainability of data centers. Holistic sustainability strategies are also being practiced. It is also the future of the sustainable cloud computing. Thank you for watching.